Hello friends, today I am going to share some of my few hair accessories with you all. I hope you like this video a lot. I hope each and every girls love to wear hair accessories. These are some of my favorite hair accessories that I would like to share with you all. Let's go into the video. First hair accessories, this is a black color butterfly clip, but it matches with each and every dress you wear. This is approx 10 rupees. I bought it from a street shop, and this stone, it changes color according to your dress color, so I love this one. This is one of my favorite clip. Next one is the leaf clip. It looks like leaf or star. For college girls or cute little babies, it looks stunning on their hairs. This is so pretty. You can use it like daily basis for office, colleges. Next clip, this is also a kind of butterfly clip. It has one small butterfly and 3 stones over here, 3 or 6 more stones over here as well. If you wear it in your hair, even it looks stunning. Next one, this is designed in a butterfly shape. It looks like butterfly, absolutely. You can wear it with every dresses. You can make pony with this, half pony. If you make half pony, it looks very pretty on half ponies. Next, this is a metal based clip, star clip. Again, this is a butterfly clip as well. It looks so pretty. You can use it as rough use as well on your daily base. Next one, you can say this is a bell kind of clip. It makes sound if it wear. It looks so pretty if you wear it. And these also metal based clips. All clips I have most probably metal based clips. Next is this heart shaped clips. Most favorite clip. I bought it before 1 year or 1.5 years, and I have used it many times. Still, it's pretty, and the price of it is only 50 rupees. I don't like to spend too much of money in clips, but I love to see the quality, and this is one of my favorite clip. Next one, this is a flower kind of clip. It has lots of stones in it, few big stones and small stones. This is also very pretty clip. I love it. This is a square, triangle, most probably you can say geometrical clip. It is in triangle shape, and it has 4 balls over here. It is not pearl actually, it is a kind of stone balls, and here is one bow, and the side contains stones. It looks so pretty. Next, this is also a kind of geometric clip, same pattern, but I love these 2 clips, so I bought this. Next, this is a pink color clip, contains a butterfly in it. This butterfly looks so pretty, and it has two pearls on both the sides. You can match this with pink color dresses, pink color sarees, everything. Next, this TikTok clips. I know everyone love to wear TikTok clips, but this is little bit different. It contains two butterflies. You can comb your hair on side and you can keep these two clips. It looks so pretty. Next, it is a multicolor clip. You can wear with any color dresses or multicolor dresses you have. Most probably when you go for events, night parties or marriage functions, these kind of clips look stunning in that cases. Next, pink blue white combination clip. Here there is a small pearl and one pink flower and one green stone. These all white stones, and this clip you can open like this. You can wear it in your hair and you should close it. These clips I recommend for college girls. It looks stunning for each and every outfits. Next, this is also a heart-shaped blue color, contains one pearl. It's good. You can match with your blue color or white color dresses. Next one, I have a pearl butterfly clip as well. This goes with white outfits, or you can make it as a half pony clip, so it looks stunning in your hair. Next one, it is also a kind of butterfly clip, green color. If you wear green color dresses, it suits green with blue, and it was like antique collection clips, one of my antique collection clips. This is also a clip, but it was blue color combined with white stones. These clips are most probably you can get it from top shops. Sometimes if you are lucky, you will get it from street shops as well. I bought this clip for only 30 rupees. And this is a pink combination clip. It goes with pink color sarees, kurtis or suits. If you are wearing gown, even these clips suits very well. Next, I have few kind of butterfly clips, like small clips. You can wear these clips in your friend hair. You can take small puffs and you can place these clips in your hair dressing. It looks so pretty. Next, I have antique collection clip number 2. It has multicolors like red, blue, violet, white, and its coating was in copper. You can see it is an antique piece. Even it looks so pretty in your silk sarees and all. Next one, this clip is most favorite to me. It was something different. See here are some floral types, and these are stones placed over here. I think this is also cost me around 50 or 60 rupees. Next, this is also an antique collection clip. Even you can wear it with multicolored dresses. This is small, cute butterfly clip. Very small. I think you can use this for babies, cute little babies, you can use it. And this one, I bought this before 5 years, 4 or 5 years before. Still little bit it was faded away, but still it looks so pretty. When you make bun, you can use this. I never use it as roughly. When I go for some functions, I use it. Next, this is also a kind of TikTok clip, but it has a star rounded with white stones in it. Next one, this is metal based small clip. It's heavy, but when you wear it, it looks so classy. It goes with gowns, modern outfits, everything. One more small butterfly clip. I bought this before maybe 6 years or 7 years, but still it's so good. Last but not the least, I have a brooch, but I use it as a hair accessory. This is it. This is so pretty. Actually, it is not a hair accessory, it is a brooch. You can wear it in your sarees or in your dresses. I have seen this in Topshop and I bought this. It cost me around 130, but its sparkling is so good. If you wear it, it looks stunning on your head. I use some of clip hacks as well. If you want that, let me know in the comment box. Thank you. I hope you all like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you. Have a nice day.